Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video I don't think I've seen anybody do. I'm going to be recreating my prom makeup. If I have seen, I'm going to do some more research into it, and if anyone has done it, I'll put their name here. So my prom was 7 years ago now, I believe. I'll pop a picture here of I remember exactly how it was done and what the person used. Like, the person was my auntie, and I literally just got rid of all the makeup because it's really old. But I know how she did it. I remember what product she used because she was talking through it, and that's when I really got into makeup. So let's get on with the video. So because I am actually going to be wearing the skin portion of the makeup out today, I'm going to prime. My auntie used a moisturiser, but I'm going to use the ordinary high adherence silicone primer. Now, when my auntie did my face makeup, I had pretty good skin because I was a very lucky teenager and I had really clear skin. And she only used like a powder foundation. So I'm going to try and mimic that by using a concealer to cover my redness and then go over the top with a regular setting powder. I'm going to be using the Nabla Close Up Stay Full Smooth Concealer. This is it here, and I'm just going to place it in the areas I described before. So I have really dark under eyes, so I'm going to use the Urban Decay Urban Decay Naked Skin Colour Corrector in pink just under my eyes. Now I'm going to set that in place using the Nabla Close Up Baking and Setting Powder. Next to skin, she used a pink sparkly blush, so I'm going to use NYX's Summer Peach, and she just put it on the apples of my cheeks. Sadly for me, 7 years ago, my auntie did not use bronzer or highlighter, so I have to move on to the eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, she used a sheer cover palette which had a pink and a black shade inside it, so I don't have that. So I'm going to use the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Pro HD Amplified 35 palette, and oh, gotta open it. I'm going to use this pink shade and the black shade. So she sort of just used her finger to put the pink on the lid area. So that's what I'm going to do. And for the black, she just sort of put it in the outer corner, but she didn't really blend it and it didn't go into the crease, it was just sort of on the lash line kind of thing. I've run out, so I'm going to use the Maybelline. And she actually did my eyebrows. But I had very, very, very light eyebrows. So I'm going to try mimic that with the products I have. So I'm going to use my Benefit Brow Gel and then my 3D Brow Spelt in the shade 2. The gel's in a shade 3. And they were quite thin. Evolution and that was my finished prom makeup. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, a like. Please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to. And give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see me recreate a prom makeup look for my dress, how I would do it now if I was going to prom. Yeah. This is the final look. Thank you for watching my video. Bye!